Hi, Alex here from Rebeloper.com and welcome back to this series on Rebeloper Messages, and in this video I will be talking about the plist files. So let's dive in. Okay, we have created our in-app purchase IDs. Now we need to set up our categories data and our stickers data finally. So let's go into the categories data first and let's take a look at what it actually covers. So item 0 is for the frequently used button. Now if you have under setup, let's just scroll all the way down, if you have app behaves as sticker back set to false, then you have this extra button before the categories that actually counts the frequently used stickers and it adds them all in there. So the category number for that is set to a default 0, so no category. The image name is the button frequently used. Now, image names can be found in the assets. So there it is, button frequently used. Okay, background color and display name is not available. I will be talking about in just a second what all of these two mean. Now let's go to category 1 and there we go. And the image name is button category 1. Let's take a look at that. It's simple as that. You just grab the name of your image. Now background color is flat UI colors Swift /American River. So let's go into this asset folder and let's take a look at flat UI colors /American, and what was that? American River. Okay, here we have our American River, and if you select any of these color sets, then you will see, and you can just copy and paste this route, well, let's say the path to this color. So that is how you set the color, and let me just show you where that color appears for our categories. So let's build and run. And let's take a look at our subscriptions. So there you go. This is the background color of our category. Okay, pretty simple. Okay, let's go back. And finally, we have a display name, and that is category 1. And this display name is displayed here on category 1. And if we just go there, and if we have set our under setup, we should see this category 1 here, but it's not just set up. What you need to do is go ahead and under here, this should be deleted like so. So you have an empty string. Okay, let's change that back. Okay, now let's go back to our categories data and take a look at category 2. So it's the same thing. Number of the category is 2, the image name is button category 2, here we have another background color and the display name, and it all goes all the way down to as much categories as you want. And now you can see why background color and display name is not available, because this is just for the button frequently used. Okay, stickers data plist is the next that we are going to talk about, and basically here you have the list of all your stickers and their properties. Now here we have our image name, pretty straightforward. Display name, again, if you just go ahead and send, well, you just put it inside your dialog and then you go back, you are not going to send this. This display name will be shown instead of the sticker because it is minimized. Now is in category. Now this sticker is in category 1. If you just scroll all the way down, this sticker is in category 2. So that is how you just add your stickers into different categories. And is logged? It's no. So if it is not logged, then it is free. Now if you for some reason added here under setup For category 1, an in-app purchase ID. Now you have to make sure that at least one of your stickers is logged inside that category. So make sure you remember this. I have all stickers unlogged. So isLogged is set to no in each and every sticker that is in category 1, and that is why I can easily set this as an empty string for our in-app purchase ID. Now because I do have some logged stickers in category 2, I have in-app purchase ID for this category, or I could just have an all stickers in-app purchase. I have been talking about this in the previous episodes. Now, and this goes all the way down till item 39, the 40th sticker, and it is in category 15. It is logged, and the sticker image name is sticker 40. So that is how you add your stickers to any category, and you set its logged property, and of course the display name and the image name of the sticker. Now that is basically it. This is what you want to change. This is what you want to set up. Now all you have to do is maybe clean the build folder and select archive, or rather yet, let's just go ahead and select our generic iOS device under Rebeloper Messages. It is still indexing, and I won't archive it because this is just a test, but you need to archive it and then upload this build to the App Store. Now what you want to change basically is going to general and set the version number, let's say to 1. The build can be 12.0.0, just so you know which version number you are using of Rebeloper Messages, but you should be setting the version number as the same as you are setting your version number in App Store Connect. So let's go to App Store and let's prepare for submission. And of course, you need to add your app information, your pricing and availability, and so on. Now, if you just scroll down here, you will see your app version to be seen as 1.0. I won't scroll down because I have sensitive data there, but you should change it to 1.0.0. And of course, after you add your description, your marketing URL, support URL, keywords, and iOS screenshots, then you can submit for review. Okay, now that is it for Rebeloper Messages and this tutorial series. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell if you already haven't done so, and take a look at the description where you can purchase Rebeloper Messages. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial series again, and I will see you in the next one.